Hey, welcome back. We're talking about work. Welcome back. This is part 2 of the video, and in this video, we're gonna finish off the second example in your notes, and then we'll have 2 practice problems. Okay, so we're talking about work, and in the first example here, it says Nathan can paint a room in 8 hours, and his brother Jonathan would need 12 hours to paint the same room. If they work together, how long will it take in hours and minutes to paint the room? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write down the individual rates, right? So I know that it takes Nathan 8 hours, so that's 1 over 8. That's his rate. Okay, I know that it takes John 1 over 12 hours. He paints a 1/12 of the room in an hour. Okay, how long will it take if they work together? I don't know. So I'm going to use a variable, t. Okay, and this gives us an equation, right? If Nate's painting, that's his rate, and if John's painting, that's his rate. If they work together, that is 1 over t. Okay, so I want to solve this. So what we can do is we'll go ahead and multiply by the LCD. In this case, actually, your LCD is going to be 24t. Okay, that's your LCD. You can still multiply by 8, by 12, and by t. 8, 12, and t. So if you struggle with identifying the LCD, feel free to just multiply by all of the denominators, and everything will cancel out, right? But if you're quick with the LCD, you're like, hey, 24t will do the job. That can make your math simpler. So I'm just going to do it this way. Okay, so I have 8 cancels here, 12 cancels here, and t cancels here. So we get the equation 12t plus 8t is equal to 8 times 12, and that is 96. Okay, so 20t is equal to 96. And now if we divide by 20, we get t is equal to 4.8. And it's important to note that this is in hours, okay? The problem wants to know how long will it take them together in hours and minutes. Hours and minutes. So what we can do is, I know the hours, right? I know it takes them 4 hours. So we can say if they work together, it will take them 4 hours and how many minutes? Okay, well, I know that there's 4 hours gone. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to take 0.8 hours, okay, and I want to multiply by 60 minutes. I want to convert from hours to minutes, okay? So my hours cancel, and when we multiply 0.8 times 60, we get 48 minutes. Okay, so it will take them 4 hours and 48 minutes to paint the room. All right. Okay, so that's it. That is work problems, right? You construct the rate, the jobs divided by the time it takes. You make an equation, and then you solve that equation with those individual rates. Okay, so that is the last example. I would like you guys to go ahead and try these 2 practice problems. So here's the first one. Go ahead, please pause the video, attempt this problem, and then I'm gonna scroll up and you can see the solutions, okay? Pause it. All right, I'm glad you put in that work. Okay, and here is your answer. It will take Laura, if she works by herself, 9 hours, 20 minutes to clean that fish tank. Okay, that's a long time. That's a pretty big fish tank, you think about it. She must, yep, it's an aquarium tank. Okay, all right, and then here is the second practice problem. We're talking about burning garbage, okay, an incinerator. Okay, so go ahead, pause the video, attempt this problem. All right, hopefully you pause the video and you've attempted it. Here is the solution. If both incinerators are working, it will take about 8.2 hours to process a day's garbage. All right, that's it for this video on work. Go ahead, give me a thumbs up. This was a good video. Yes, or good too, okay? Until next time, be easy, work hard, okay? See you later.